Hi everyone, it's Mari from Vegan Chic. I want to talk to you guys tonight about doTerra essential oils. It's something that I have been getting into a little bit, probably for the last 6 months or so. And I'm planning on doing some workshops soon here at Vegan Chic. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the next workshop that I would like to do. And I want to get some feedback from you guys whether you think this would be a fun thing to do. So this workshop that I'm looking at doing is based on a book. The book is by DoTerra Workshops. That's right. And it's called Blends for Emotional Wellbeing. It's called I Am Fabulous. And it has in it a sequence of blends that you can make for yourself to help heal yourself emotionally. So the actual workshop itself, what we'll be doing is going through a little bit of a emotional well-being ritual together. And what that will include is a series of different essential oils that will apply to different points on our body that allow us to experience the oils on a few different levels. They're applied direct onto our skin, we smell them, we put them in different chakra points as well to allow ourselves to open up and enhance our emotional connection to the essential oils. So our emotional health is greatly affected by our physical health, such as hormonal balance and energy to function day to day. So this is why essential oils can help us. Our physical, relational, spiritual and professional success is dependent upon emotional maturity and our ability to handle obstacles. Emotional wellness allows you to become the best version of yourself and makes your dreams come true. So essential oils have been used for thousands of years to help people realign themselves, bring themselves back into balance and experience that not only a physiological change as our cells connect with the properties that are in the actual essential oils, but also a psychological change as well. As we breathe essential oils in, they are absorbed by our our olfactory system. I can't think of the words. And that is where a chemical change happens in our brain, where, you know, emotions are very closely related, as you probably know, with aromas. So you might smell lavender or the smell of home-baked bread, and it immediately transports you to a time where you experience that aroma, and also it makes you connect and re-feel the emotions that you felt from that pivotal point. Now that can be negative and it can be positive, but largely it's positive because we normally hang on to these really warm and loving experiences and the smells that come with them. So for me, you know, if I smell home-baked bread, it reminds me of, you know, when I was a little kid and Mum would sometimes make bread. So, and I just loved a damper, you know, if I smell damper, oh, my mum used to make the most beautiful damper. And when I think about that, it actually makes me happy. So this is how aromatherapy works. This is how essential oils transport us and change us in our emotional state right there and then. So I want to do this little workshop. I want to know if you guys would be interested in attending a workshop like this. During the workshop, not only do we go through a little ritual, which is detailed on this little pad, where we try lots of different oils, but specifically chosen oils to help us realign. First, we eliminate overwhelm, then we boost self-esteem, then we enhance clarity and vision, and then we project ourselves. And then after that, she recommends blends from this book, which I will tell you about. and we will actually make one of the blends in this book. I will also have samples of the key blends from this book here for you guys to try, and you'll have the opportunity to win one of these blends that are recommended in the book. They have a variety of really interesting and unique oils in them, and they all have been specifically chosen to deliver certain changes in us. So the first blend that she recommends that we try for a week or two, and this is what you go home and you can do at home. You make your little blend, or the one that you luckily won at the workshop, and you apply this for about 2 weeks. 2 to 4 weeks, depends on the person. In the beginning, you can choose Release Your Fears blend or Bye Bye Baggage blend. As you move on to the next phase, you'll be choosing either I Love Myself or Soothe the Soul. After that, you'll do that for a week or so until you feel yourself becoming balanced in that area, and then you'll move on to I Am Free or On My Path. After that, I Am Fabulous, which is obviously the name of the book. And after that, after you've gone through the I Am Fabulous phase, you will go to the Manifestors blend or Momentum, which obviously this is a progressive thing. We started off at the workshop, we go home and we progressively practice and use these oils to take us through these stages, and right at the very end, you're just maintaining, you're keeping that momentum going, or you're manifesting what it is that you want in your life. So that's it. Let me know what you think. I'm really interested to know if anyone's interested in doing these workshops. If I get enough interest, I will hold some workshops, or if you would really like to attend a workshop like this, but you don't like to go out to these sort of things, you'd rather do something at home, then I could come to you, or I could arrange for someone to come to you. So comment down below, guys. I'd love to hear your feedback. Have a great night. Bye.